At Lake Hamilton Middle School, students aren't just learning from a textbook. They're learning real life skills that they'll use every single day. In our new Family and Consumer Science course, part of this year's career and technical education offerings for the middle school, students are getting hands on in the kitchen, beginning with a live teacher demonstration using a custom mobile cooking cart, equipped with a camera and screen so every student can clearly see each step in real time.
Our mobile kitchen model allows me to demonstrate step-by-step instructions that the students get to watch and helps them gain confidence before they do it themselves.
It's really fun to be able to cook on our own, and we just learned how to make a chicken quesadilla, and now we can do it at home.
From the classroom to real life, experiences like this are preparing our students for the future, one skill and meal at a time.